In some cultures, it is considered polite to burp after a meal to show appreciation for the food. The world's largest hamburger weighed in at 2,014 pounds and was cooked in Minnesota in 2012. The hottest chili pepper in the world is the Carolina Reaper, which measures over 2 million on the Scoville heat scale. The average American eats 35,000 cookies in their lifetime. In the 16th century, the Ottoman Empire was so obsessed with coffee that it was illegal for a woman to refuse her husband a cup of coffee. Hey, check out how you can save up to 75% on superfoods in the comments section below with the NutraPal app.